Hi guys, I'm Vinod. Welcome to my YouTube channel Win Civil Ball. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the components of dams. What is a dam? Dam is an obstruction constructed across water bodies like a river, stream, etc. And the main purpose of this obstruction, this is an obstruction, and the main purpose of these obstructions are to control water flow and water levels and manage the river or streams. The part of a dam where the water is collected, this is the area where water is collected, it is called upstream side, and this is the downstream side where the water flows. What are the components of a dam? This is a typical cross section of a dam structure. This is the upstream side and this is the downstream side. The main components are heel, this is the heel, and the other one is toe, which is opposite to the heel. And both these heel and toe, that is a part of foundations. Then comes the crust or roadway, which is the roadway over the dam. And the another component is parapet wall. This is on sides of the roadway or crest. And then comes the sluice way. This is the sluice way. The next component is spillway, and this is the gate, and from gate the water will come down to the downstream side through the spillway, and this is the spillway. And the last one is drainage gallery. This is a drainage gallery which goes throughout the dam structure. Now we'll discuss each and every component separately. And first one is heel and toe. Just look into its typical cross section. This is the heel, and the purpose of the heel, this is the part of a dam meeting with the upstream side. The heel is on the upstream side and the toe is on the downstream side. Toe is a part that is on the downstream side of a dam. And both these heel and toe gives the stability to the dam structure. This is the main purpose. Next is crust or roadways. Just go through this typical cross section of a dam, and this particular area is called crust or roadway. This is the crust or roadway, and this is the parapet. Parapet is on the both side of the crust. The top portion of a dam used as a road or roadway is called crust. Next is abutments of a dam. Just go through these two pictures of dams, and this particular area is called the abutment of the dam. The dam abutments are basically valley walls. They may be concrete or masonry structures, and abutments support the lateral pressures acting on the dams. The next major component of a dam is spillway. Just go through this typical cross section, and this is the upstream side. The water will flow from the upstream side to the downstream side, and the main purpose of the spillway is conveying excess water from the upstream side to the downstream side. There are two types of spillways. That the first one is the controlled spillway, and the other one is uncontrolled spillway. This is the typical picture of a uncontrolled spillway where there will not be any gate. This is the spillway, and the spillway without a gate is called uncontrolled spillway. And controlled spillway, in case of controlled spillway, the water flow is controlled by a gate. This is the spillway, and the spillway with gate is called controlled spillway. Then coming to the next major component, that is gallery. This is the cross section of a dam showing the dam gallery. It is simply a hollow opening passing through the dam structure. This is the gallery, and the main purpose of gallery is to collect the seepage water from the foundation and the body of the dam and drain it out through drainage holes. This is the drainage hole. Next is diversion tunnel. Just go through these two sketches, and the main purpose of a diversion tunnel is to redirect water, and this is basically done during the construction stage and during scarcity of water. Just go through this sketch, and this is the diversion tunnel. And next is conduits. These conduits are passage for the water supply. Just go through this picture. This is the picture of a conduit, and bottom discharge conduits cross the body of the dam from the upstream side to the downstream side. Next is cutoff. They are usually used in earthen dams, and this is a typical cross section of an earthen dam, and it is an impervious barrier constructed beneath the earthen dam. Main purpose is to reduce the loss of storage water by reducing seepage. Next major component is sluiceway. Main purpose of sluiceway is to remove the slit accumulated inside the dam. This is the sluiceway. What are the basic terms in a dam profile? This is the maximum water level, and this is the normal water level. And the distance between the normal water level and maximum water level is called freeboard. What are the advantages of dams? First one is water storage. Dams stores water for domestic use like cooking, cleaning, bathing, washing, drinking water, gardening, agriculture purpose, and industrial purpose. And next major use is generation of hydroelectric power. Water in dams are passed through turbines for generation of hydropower, and they are also functions as a flood prevention mechanism. The water levels is managed by storing it and prevents flash floods. Next is the dams can be used for recreational activities like fishing, boating, and other recreational activities. There are a lot of disadvantages of dams. First thing is the groundwater table. It causes the stagnation of groundwater table, and fish migration is also affected and causes flash floods and all. And some environmental problem is there if the dams are provided in earthquake zones. Hope you will have a great knowledge about the components of the dams and its functions. Thank you for watching.